actually means by stretching around. Okay, so it is a structure. Peri is around. Peritoneum is something which is there inside a cavity. So it is the abdominal cavity, and that's the way it is discussed as peritoneum. Okay, but this means that something is stretched around. Okay, so this forms a completely very different what to say, an organ itself. Okay, so this forms an organ. I've just lowered down the hands. Anyone who has questions on it can raise your hand, who are unable to see or something happens in between, right? So let us know this peritoneum. As you have seen the pleura and the pericardium, which is actually um, overlapping the vital organs like the pleura and the uh, heart, that is completely overlapping it. The peritoneum is stretched around. Okay, so few parts of around the viscera. So you know the abdominal organs, all the abdominal organs. So it is actually in this cavity, this whole, like a balloon, the cavity, and inside it lies all these specific organs of our abdomen. And the whole abdominal visceral outer wall is being covered, okay, by stretching this peritoneum to its respective parts. But while doing this, here only one thing which you must keep this in mind and note it down in your book, that in certain areas the peritoneum is not covered, and that uncovered part of the peritoneum, though it is the viscera, on the viscera, but lies uncovered, that part is called as bare area. Like we walk with our bare legs, okay, without chappals. So that is bare, B-A-R-E, not the other bare. Don't get afraid. So it is the bare area. Can somebody tell me which is the bare area on lung? Anybody can raise their hand and just let me see that whether you think laterally. Anyone in the class?